Can't access TikTok analytics on your iPhone? This could be due to your account and type, app glitches, or network issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok analytics not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable analytics. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile below. Now tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Next, tap TikTok Studio. Here you will see your analytics. If it's off, there will be a toggle to turn it on. Solution 2. Switch to business account. Open up the TikTok app again. After that, tap on the profile below. Now tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Account. Here you will see Switch to Business Account. Tap on it and switch to Business Account. After switching account, you will get Analytics option in your account. If not, Solution 3. Offload TikTok app. Go to the Settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok, then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 4. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from the below. Type TikTok, tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.